Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Onshape tutorials how to export to PDF. If we use export tools, like you can right click in part, click export, and we'll be sure for export dialog box there are no options to export to PDF. So if you want to save as or export to PDF, we can use print tools. You can click this icon, click print. The next, you can set for pin setup. We set into F4, and then with portrait, you can click print. Now in here for the print dialog box, you can see we have these 3D models, and you can set for printer like with the Microsoft Print to PDF. After it, you can print this object. Okay, that's it for basic Onshape tutorials how to export to PDF. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.